Hello everyone, welcome to my channel RaHaz tutorial. Today I am going to discuss the question answer of the chapter Abou and Adhem from the book Communicate with Cambridge 5. So we are going to start with exercise B. Answers this question, refer to the poem to check your answer. First question is, what did Abou and Adhem see one night? Answer, Abou and Adhem saw an angel in the room one night. Second question, what was the angel doing in the room? Answer, the angel was writing in a book of gold. What was the angel writing? Answer, the angel was writing the name of those who love the Lord. Next question, what did Abou and Adhem ask the angel to do? Answer, Abou asked the angel to write his name as one who loves his fellow men. Question number 5. What happened on the second night? Answer, on the second night the angel showed that Abou's name led all the rest, meaning his name was at the top of the list of those blessed by God. Next, exercise C, question number 1. And to the presence in the room he said, what writest thou? The vision raised its head, and with a look made of all sweet accord, answered, the name of those who love the Lord. A. Who was the presence? Answer, the angel was the presence. B. What was the presence writing? Answer, the angel was writing the names of those who love the Lord. C. What other word for presence is used in these lines? Answer, vision is the word used in these lines for presence. Next question. It came again with a great awakening light. A. What came again? Answer, the angel came again. B. Where did it come? Answer, the angel came to Abou's room. Next, what is meant by awakening light? Answer, awakening light means a bright light that woke Abou. It also means the enlightened one. Now exercise D, think and answer. First question is, why did Abou and Adhem speak more low once he heard what the angel said? Answer, Abou spoke softly out of humanity and reverence after the angel told him that his name was not among those who loved God. He lowered his voice to show modesty and respect for the divine message. Next question, why did Abou and Adhem's name on top of the list? Answer, when the angel returned, Abou and Adhem's name appeared at the top of the list of those who were loved by the God, because he was expressed love and kindness towards his fellow men. Now, exercise E, discuss in class. First question, what lesson do you learn from the poem? The poem teaches us that true devotion and kindness towards fellow human beings are valued more than anything else. Abou's humble wish to increase love for his tribe earns him a special place in the angel's book, showing that since love and compassion are the highest virtues. Question, do you think Abou and Adhem's tribe should increase? Why? Answer, yes. The poem suggests that the tribe of people who practice love and kindness should grow, because spreading such virtues make the world a better place to live. I hope students you found this video helpful. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a learning moment. Thank you.